Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a cute froggy. That's right, we're going to draw a frog step by step. Frogs are cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start with the frog's eyes. We can start by drawing 2 semicircles for the eyes. Now, let's connect the 2 semicircles with a line. Next, we will draw a larger circle for the frog's body. I will add 2 semicircles at the bottom for the frog's legs. Isn't it so cute already? I will add a wavy line for the frog's mouth. Next, I think I will have my froggy holding on to a flower. You can choose to draw different types of flowers too, such as roses or tulips. I will do 2 half ovals for the froggy's arm. Next, I will color in 2 dark circles for the eyes. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I will start by coloring the center of the flower, and then the frog's belly. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Feel free to change up the frog's color and use other colors besides black. Maybe a purple or even a rainbow frog. I'm going to add some pink for flush on its cheek. Now, I'm going to color in the rest of the frog. Coloring is fun, and I like to take my time and enjoy the process. will also color in the leaf for my froggy too. Wow, look at our amazing frog. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute with the flower in its hand. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and try new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.